Alright, so to be able to download this PDF with the installation instructions, you receive a link in the installation packages, which will lead you to this portal. You have to accept the conditions. You have to be on English, that's for sure. And you have to check here the dealer. You click next. You choose the displacement, and voila, on the upper part we have the XL750 2023. And of course we have the possibility to download all these mounting instructions. This is not the service manual, these are only mounting instructions which you can actually download from here. We have the GNU Accessory User Guide, which we'll take a look shortly after this presentation. And you have the installation instruction for a lot of accessories, for all accessories actually. The grip heater, pannier case, even the inner key cylinder, pannier support, radiator grill, front side pipe, and so on and so forward. Quick shifter, skid plate, everything is here as an installation instructions, but you don't have the torque numbers, you don't have a lot of things which are actually presented in the service manual. But for start, if you are trying to mount some of these accessories, we'll try to help you by combining this information in the installation instructions plus the guide, the video guide, which will follow each single presentation of these installation instructions.